WP Defense, revolutionary. Secure your WordPress websites from hackers, cyber attacks, malware, virus threats, and much more. First to market WordPress security software secures your websites and contents in real time from cyber attacks, malware, viruses, and more in less than 2 minutes with our built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology. 2 clicks equals start your very own website security agency and charge $500 minus $1,000 per client. Secure your website and content from hackers, cyber attacks, viruses, and much more. Buit-in 360 degrees SQLi site protection. Guaranteed 100% site anonymity with advanced proxy protection system. Get live spam alerts on your site with Iron-Clad anti-spam protection technology. Protect domain names IP addresses from being exposed using DNSBL integration. Secure your sites from bad bots and crawlers. Protect your sites from hacking bots with built-in fake bots protection technology. Check your site's PHP configuration with one click. Real-time login history. Instantly get alerts about new logins to your site. Block suspicious IPs with using one mouse click. Built-in country blocker. Block countries of your choice from accessing your website. Get real-time protection using our world-class WordPress firewall protection technology. Built-in hide your login history feature. Activate reCAPTCHA on your site to enhance your site's security by 10x. Built-in antivirus scanner. Scans your WP site and removes unwanted files, outdated dates, viruses, malware, and others. Fully optimized and responsive for everything. One-click easy installation. Install this software on your WP site with one click. Fire all your expensive site protection tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included. Start your very own site protection agency. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Iron-Clad 30-day money-back guarantee. WP Defense is the new big game changer in the website protection world. Thousands of smart marketers and early beta testers are secretly running successful cybersecurity services and getting paid $300 to $500 per client. Protect your WP sites in just 3 steps. Step number 1, grab a copy of WP Defense by clicking any of the buy button. Hurry, the price rises with every hour. Step number 2, easily install WP Defense on your WordPress site with one click. This easy installation requires just one mouse click. Step number 3, protect and profit. Start profiting by starting your very own cybersecurity agency while earning $300 to $500 per website on complete autopilot. Get instantly paid in your PayPal asterisk. The future of website protection is here. A sneak peek to the limitless possibilities with world-class site protection software. Secure all your WordPress websites and domains with one click. No expensive iTools required. Go 100% anonymous with advanced proxy protection technology. Anti-spam protection technology creates live spam alerts notifications and fixes them instantly. Built-in DNSBL integration. Protect domain names IP addresses from being exposed. Built-in fake bots protection technology. Protect your sites from hacking bots. Firewall protection technology protects your site from real-time cyber attacks. Built-in antivirus scanner scans your WP site and removes unwanted files, outdated data, viruses, malware, and others. reCAPTCHA verification tech enhances your site's security by 10x, 360 degrees SQLi site protection. Protect your WP site with Iron-Clad SQLi security. IP blocker. Block suspicious IPs with using one mouse click. Built-in country blocker. Block countries of your choice from accessing your website. Hide your login history. Hides all your logins, logs, and details. One-click easy installation. Install this software on your WP site with one click. Real-time login alerts. Instantly get alerts about new logins to your site. Commercial license included. Start your very own site protection agency. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. And the best part, WP Defense has a built-in army of threat detection bots, which auto-detect and resolves any potential virus or cyber attacks in real time on your website. Here's examples. The security status is excellent. Hence, the demand for website protection technology is all-time high. So, dear friend, if you want to buy these or want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.